I think a lot of people that probably watch this show are familiar with Homes on Homes. I mean, when you came on the air, you changed the game, but a lot's changed since then. I mean, we're still teaching you why we're doing what we're doing, what we're going to do to help these families, and the materials we're going to use. We're shooting the show very differently now. I mean, technology has changed so much over the years. So we've got drones, we've got special effects, which, I mean, back 80 years ago, they didn't have that.
No. They just used pages and drew something and then flipped the pages, right?
Yeah.
That's cartoons.
That's
Yeah, but
cartoons.
I think he was more making fun of you and how long you've been.
Yeah, he got it. He just
Just in
took a
case.
different direction, which I respect.
I ignored it.
Yeah, he ignored it, which was
That's
really good.
nice.
But I mean, this show, it has the why. It has why we're doing what we're doing, what we're going to do to fix it. It also has personality. I mean, I feel like Sherry and I bring a different side of you out, where if you watch the old Homes on Homes, he's very much like, okay,
I'm Mike
I'm gonna
Holmes.
come in here, we're gonna take it all down, we're gonna fix it. Now, you see a later version. You see a more playful version.
He smiles sometimes.
He's doing it right now.
It's a smirk, but oh, it's there. Do you see that?